Okay folks, it's pretty amazing out here today, and oh, I'm sorry folks, and I'm in a walk in the mountain in the fresh air with lots of flowers here and there. And everything is green. Let me check. See, this is kind of in the Shire, Lord of the Rings. I love it, especially these mossy sides with the roots of the trees. Besides the road, this thing is awesome, lovely. All right, so let me come to this spot. Oh, that's not nice there. All right, and let's say it's a nice camping area, probably around different trees and El Dorado kind of ravine with this river view down there. It's not bad. And see this very old beech tree. It's old and a thick one. This is also old one. It's just magical down there and up here. Right. So further up there, again I'm still scared, just a little bit, from shepherd dogs, but they should not be here now. They should be up in the meadows further up in the mountain. It's near the suburbs area in Smolyan, in the Rhodope Mountains in Bulgaria. So I'm very near the city actually. Check this. It's beautiful, mossy area. Alright folks, so I hope this year I'm gonna buy in the summer camera stabilizer, not to have shaking around, because I still use my hand, my hands